watching. You know it's gonna be more lit than a big girl with tits. Continue watching because it's gonna get even more lit. Peace. Yo, YouTube, it's your boy caVaris with a capital V, and I'm back. You know, I'm outside with my shirt off. You know, I'm talking about the dirt bike. The reason I have my shirt off again and another hat on, because it's so hot, and I do not want my skin to be two-tone. It be dark down here, but light up here. What the hell? How the world that happened? But anyway, by the title, you see, I'm gonna show you how to put on handlebars. I mean, not handlebars. The grips, handlebar grips, basically. I really don't know what I'm doing. I just seen videos. There's like a million videos on how to put on handlebar grips, and I'm about to have 1,000,001 if you're watching this. You know what I'm saying? But my grip's pretty bad. Torn a little bit. Look at that. Torn all the way off. Yeah, I got these from Columbia Power Sports. Pretty nice ones. You know, blue, match the bike. You know. But I'm not no professional. If y'all know what y'all doing and y'all see me make a mistake, don't judge me. Just in the comments, see what I did wrong and I can correct myself the next time. Because I might get some more grips sooner or later down the road. But anyway, we about to get into it. Boy, if you don't... Alright, so basically, there are two ends. One big end for the throttle and a smaller end for the regular one. So there's two different size holes in there, as I've been told. You use, I should use a razor blade, but I can't find mine right now. But I'm gonna use a sharp knife. Please be careful. Shoot, mine's already cut open. It's gonna be easy. See, not that bad. Now with the throttle one, make sure you twist if you want. If it's hard, pretty hard to take off, twist going upwards instead of going down like you revving it up, because you don't want to keep doing that throttle like that. I know y'all like my sunglasses. I don't know, it's supposed to be jiggly like this. I don't know too sure. Do a little quick thumbnail with the sunglasses off. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. Stop. Alright. Be careful. So you want to cut the new ones. My goofy behind. Oh, you're cutting the back of it. Just open up. See the holes difference. This one bigger. I really can't tell too much of a difference, but hopefully be good to slip on there. About to put a little water or something. I'll be back. Alright, so I'll put a little bit of water. Hopefully that helps. I seen in the video somebody put water on it. Well, what the hell? Not too bad looking. Alright, the throttle. This might be a little bit hard. Remember, go upward, not downwards. I'll be back. Oh yeah, remember to wipe off this. I really didn't wipe off all this stuff. I seen some people put super glue, they said, but I'm not too sure. If it really start messing up, then I might have to. And I'm not dang on professional, y'all. My first time putting on some handlebars. I probably missed a couple steps. I'll be back once again. Alright, so I got it. Almost. I had to put a little bit more water on there. I had to use a glove, which has extra good grip. It took me longer than I thought. I figured it was gonna be this hard, but yeah, that's how they look now. Things look good. This one I still gotta fix a little more, but it look like it's snug on there. You know. Let me take my glasses off to talk to y'all for this ending video. Woo, get a good lighting. Alright, so I got them on. Took me long enough. Yeah, but I like them though. They look pretty nice. Blue on blue, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, it's your boy caVaris with a capital V. Like and subscribe. More videos is coming, of course, as I keep saying. Ain't buzz on me. I keep saying it because I want y'all to get it. Anyway, it's your boy caVaris, capital V. Peace.